Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so let's check. Sino ba yung stalker mo? Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga items, so yung ating protection from evil eye, love bracelet, si granter necklace, and si cord cutting, so yeah, just message me. Okay, so agad-agad, let's start the reading. And again pala, don't forget to follow yung nasa description box na dalawang YouTube channel, Love Letter and yung Rescue Animals. So, okay. So, let's see. Unahin natin ang mga air signs. Who is your stalker? Who is your stalker? Sinong mga stalker na mga air signs? Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Sinong stalker nyo? Anong meron dyan? Anong meron sa kanya? The Five of Pentacles. And the Five of Swords. Ito ang hilig nitong magpapansin sa FB. Mga ganong bagay. Ang hilig niyang magpapansin, ang hilig niyang tawag dito. Andito yung inggit. Inggitero. Okay, itong taong to. Yeah, see? The Six of Wands. Universe is jealousy. Okay? Gusto nung mga to na parang nasa kanya lang yung spotlight. I don't know why. Okay, siguro natatalbugan mo. O, diba? Ni-stalk ka niya. Yes. May chance na ginagaya ka nito. Okay? May chance na ginagaya niya kung anong suot mo. Ginagaya niya yung ayos mo, forma mo, whatsoever. Okay? Andun yung inggitero na, inggitera, mga ganyang bagay. May ganun siya. Some of them, talagang kahit gipit, kahit gipit ha. Kahit wala siyang pangbili, ganito, ganyan. Utang yun. Makabili lang. Kung ano man, I don't know. Andiyan. Pabida. Parang may ganun siyang energy. They're stalking you. I don't know why. So, what else? Tingnan natin kung bakit ka ni-stalk. Okay. Bakit ka ini-stalk nitong taong to? Anong gusto niyan? Anong meron? Bakit ka ini-stalk? So, siguro nga, pwedeng ginagaya ka niya. Yeah, the star. They see you as the star. Kaya naman. So, wala tayong magagawa dyan, no? Diba? Ano bang meron? Diba kapag star, parang artista, no? Ganun yung tingin sa'yo. Kung anong meron sa'yo, kung anong trend mo, whatsoever, gagayahin ka. Diba gano'n naman kapag sa mga artista? No? Kung anong trending, kung anong nasa uso, yun ang gagayahin. Yes. Be careful with this person. Kung sino man to. Okay? Pwedeng batuhan ka nito ng evil eye. Be careful. Yeah. So, meron akong angel number for you, 555. May nakita akong 5 of cups in reverse kanina. Okay? Some of you, this is a past person. Pwedeng iniwan mo or iniwan ka. Now, they're giving you mixed signals. Okay? Ini-stalk ka niya. Pwedeng tinitingnan niya yung my day mo, kung ano man. Nagre-react sa'yo, mga post mo, whatsoever. Nakakarinig ka ng something, ng balita mula sa taong to na ganito, ganyan, kinukumusta ka, mga ganong bagay. They're stalking you. So, what else? What else? Okay, sino pa ba ang nag-i-stalk sa mga air signs? Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Yung nagbibigay ng evil eye. Sabi sa inyo protektahan ninyong inyong energy. The Magician is here in reversed. Some of them, they know kung paano gumawa ng mga ritual whatsoever. Okay? So, the Magician in reverse could be Virgo. What's with that Magician in reverse? Mainit ka sa mata. Parang ganun eh. Yeah, the King of Cups inversed. Bakit ganyan? Ang daming naiinggit sa'yo, air signs. Some of them, kunyari mabait sa'yo. Opo. Kunyari mabait. Two-faced. Nakakuha ko ng Gemini placements dito. Hindi ko sinabing two-faced ang Gemini, pero yeah. May nakukuha kong energy na Gemini. So, why are they stalking you? Nagbabagit-bagitan sa'yo tong taong to. Okay? The Four of Wands inversed. Gusto ka nitong makitang bumagsak, I think. Yeah. Queen of Cups inversed. Some of you, pwedeng asawa mo to. Okay? Pwedeng asawa mo, pwedeng may nangyaring separation sa inyo. Yeah. Ayaw nitong makikita kang umuusad or if ever, ayaw nito na magkakaroon ka na ng iba. Ace of Swords. Ayaw nito na may iba ka. Ito yung tinitingnan yan. Okay? Kung ano bang meron sa'yo, ano bang bago sa'yo. Okay? They're like emotionally, manipulator. Some of them. Like, kunyari, wala silang pakialam, mga ganyan, mabait sa'yo, whatsoever. Pero, yeah. Gusto ka nila na parang makawawa. Okay? Some of them, gusto nila, sa kanya lang, yung attention mo, oras mo, mga ganong bagay. Yeah. Ayaw nito na mawawala kayo. So, there. Pwedeng nagagamit ka ng taong to, air signs. Sa totoo lang. They're stalking you. Anyway, so there. Okay, next. Fire signs. So, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So, sino ba itong nag-i-stalk sa'yo? Hang on. Okay. So, sino ba itong nag-i-stalk sa'yo? Fire signs. Who's your stalker? Oh, could be a Scorpio. Or may nangyaring ending sa inyo. Fire sign. Sino tong stalker mo? Anong meron sa kanya? The Six of Pentacles. Could be an earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Some of you mga mangungutang. O, diba? Oo. Okay. Gusto nila, something like parang meron silang kailangan sa'yo. Ikaw ba, fire sign, may inutangan ka? Pwedeng ikaw yung umutang sa kanya. Pwedeng maging vice versa. May nag-stalk, may nag-spy na parang nakahiram ng pera. I don't know kung bakit. Parang atrasado. The Chariot in reverse. Parang walang nangyaring bayaran. Parang ganyan. Okay? Meron tong pera. Okay? May ugnay sa pera. Itong taong to. Yeah. Pwedeng nagpapautang or ikaw, pinautang mo siya. Okay? Some of you, itong taong ito, may chance na gustong makipag-ayos. Something like, yeah, in general, meron silang gustong ayusin. Magkaroon ng new beginning, magkaroon ng may ma-fix in general. Okay? So, why are they stalking you? Let's see. Why are they stalking you? Why is this person stalking fire signs? Yeah, this is pera. Some of you, your boss is stalking you. I don't know why. Be careful. Yung mga magli-leave dyan. Okay? Ang gamit pa naman sick leave. Oo. Pagbalik, maitim. No? Okay? So, your boss is stalking you. Pwedeng may hiningi ka dito sa taong to. Be careful. What's with this King of Pentacles? Yeah, the Magician in reversed. Be careful ha, fire signs. If ever kung hindi si boss mo yung mag-stalk sa'yo, andun yung sip-sep. Ha? Some of you specific. Ang nakuha ko dito, pwedeng related to sa trabaho. Okay, related to sa trabaho. Humingi ka ng leave. Okay, sick leave or what? And pwedeng ikukwento to sa boss mo. Be careful. Be careful posting. Diba? Oo. Merong galamay. No? Hindi ko alam kung ito ba ay sip-sip lang. Gusto lang sabihin sa boss ninyo na ikaw ay hindi po, wala pong sakit yan. Yun nga po kita namin, nag-swimming. Mga ganon. Ha? Okay? Don't trust anybody. Tsaka na lang kayo mag-post kapag medyo malayo-layo na. No, oo. Hayaan nyo na muna. Okay? Ikalma mo. Anyway, so, yeah. Diba nga, kung ito ay may utang sa'yo, pwedeng yun yung dahilan kaya kayo ni-stalk. Yung pwedeng merong hindi nakakapagbayad, merong tumatalikod sa responsibilidad. Okay? Merong hindi nagre-repeat eh. What else? Ano pa ba? Sino pa ba ang nag-i-stalk sa mga fire signs? Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. The Ten of Swords in reversed. The Five of Swords in reverse could be an air sign. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay. Somebody na pwedeng matagal mo nang hindi nakakausap. Pwedeng malayo. Nasa malayo itong taong to. Yeah, Strength in reversed. Specific, some of them, alam mong may sakit sila. I have angel number for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ascending numbers. Okay. So why are they stalking you? The Eight of Pentacles in reversed. Kasi wala nang nangyayari, wala nang ganap sa inyo. So they're like curious. I don't know, some of you this is a past person, may nangyaring ending. Some of you you're healing or you're moving on from them. Okay, wala nang ganap. Parang ganyan kaya kanila ini-stalk. Wala nang nangyayari, wala nang pag-uusap, wala nang pagkikita, something like that. Pwedeng matagal na to. Yeah, see, the Lovers in reversed. Wala nang nangyayari, wala nang ganap. Tinitingnan lang ng taong to kung ano bang meron. Some of them may chance na mangumusta. Okay? Yeah, the Five of Wands. Yung iba sa kanila, pwedeng single pa rin. Oo. And baka magbabaka sakali sa'yo, fire signs, na ikaw ay single pa rin. Parang gusto lang makipag-connect muli. Okay? Meron dito mga chismosa. Gusto lang makita kung anong meron sa love life mo. Kaya sila nag-i-stalk. Okay? Meron silang narinig. This is so specific. This is channeled. Some of you, pwedeng narinig kayo ng mga to na kayo ay nag-aaway na kung sino man. And titingnan nila kung anong meron sa FB nyo. Or kung saan man kayo ma-stalk. Yeah. Or pwedeng nakikipag-chismisan tong kanino man, mga kapitbahay nyo, whatsoever. Okay, so there. Next. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Who's your stalker? Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page. Pati yung dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you. So, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, who's your stalker? Sinong nag-stalk sa'yo? Anong meron? The Page of Wands in reversed. Okay. And the Judgment. May nangyayaring false start or failed start sa inyo ng taong to. Yeah, the Sun in reversed. Matagal na kayong hindi nagkikita ng taong to. Pwedeng lumayo sa'yo o inalisan ka. Could be a Leo. Some of them, they have immaturity. Lahat naman tayo, pero itong taong to, nung nakuha ko sa kanya, inalisan mo kasi sobra. Sobrang ka-immaturan niya. Yeah, hindi sila nagiging fair sa'yo. So, now, why are they stalking you? Could be Scorpio, like you. Yeah, water sign, fire. Umasa ka na magkakaroon ng improvement sa inyong dalawa nitong taong to. Pero, walang nangyari. Why are they stalking you? Yeah, gusto nilang i-fix kung anong meron. Kung anong nangyari. Okay? Yeah. Gusto nilang makipag-ayos. You're their best option, I think. So, maybe this is like realizations. Yeah, realizations. May nakuha ko dito na parang may naririnig ako sana mag-workout muli. Mag-workout na sana this time. Maybe, yeah, may mga ganong energy. Okay? Kasi some of you see this person as somebody na pwedeng hindi talaga tawag dyan seryoso sa mga bagay-bagay. Yeah. Nakakuha ko dito ng somebody na pwedeng gustong makipag-partnership sa'yo. Tinitingnan kung open ka pa. Meron din dito ako nakikita na ang tawag dyan? HR. Okay? Na parang tumitingin sa mga resume. Okay? Kung sino yung pwede pang tawagan muli. Something like that. That's channeled. Hahanapin ka nyan. Titingnan kung pwede ka pa rin. Kung pwede ka pa bumalik. Something like that. Ano offer? Maybe. Meron sa inyong, if you have your own business, kahit small business, somebody na pwedeng interested. Meron din ganun. Okay? So, there. What else? Meron ditong mga tao na parang ginajudge ka kaagad. Yeah. Pero alam naman nila kung anong meron talaga. I don't know. Parang ginugulo ka lang ng mga to. They're stalking you. Alam nila. Masipag ka. Okay? So, what else? For water signs. Sino nag-i-stalk sa'yo? The Hermit in reversed. So, may chance na matagal na kayong hindi nag-uusap, hindi nagkikita. Could be a Virgo. What's with that Hermit in reversed? Some of them, they're loner. The Seven of Pentacles. They wasted your time. Yeah. Inalisan mo to. Nilayuan mo. Yeah. May separation. Sinayang lang nito oras mo or sinayang ka lang. Okay, why are they stalking you? Strength. Okay. Some of you, binlock mo to. Or binlock ka. Now they're trying to look for you, to search you. Okay. Yeah. They miss you. Yeah, may block dito. Yeah, the Ace of Swords in reverse. May nangyaring pagbablock. In general, pwedeng hindi na rin maganda yung communication if ever. No communication at all, no contact at all, kung walang blockages. Pero some of you, there's this block. Meron binlock, FB, kung ano man. Trying to look for you. They're searching you online. Maybe some of them gumagamit sila ng ibang account to search you. Okay? Yeah. The Lovers in reversed. So maybe gusto lang nilang malaman kung anong meron sa'yo. Kung anong meron. Yeah, the Knight of Wands. Some of them, they're here to, alam mo na, makipag-flirt whatsoever. Yeah, they'll try to message you, mga ganyan. Gustong malaman kung ano bang meron. Something like that. Okay, the time waster is stalking you. So, next. Earth signs. Okay, so Earth signs, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Who's your stalker? Sinong stalker in your Earth signs? Let's see. Stalker. Anong meron sa stalker ng mga Earth signs? The Justice in reversed. Some of them, they have legal matter, legal issue. Could be a Libra. What's with this? Justice in reversed. The Five of Wands. Some of them, pwedeng nagtatrabaho sa government. Pwedeng sa law. Okay, they have a lot of commitments. Fire sign. And the Queen of Pentacles. Some of them, they're working like giving services. Parang ganyan. Okay, may mga serbisyo na pwedeng ibinibigay itong taong to. That's specific. Okay? So, why are they stalking you? The Three of Pentacles. The Six of Pentacles. Oh, okay. So, some of you, Earth signs, you're under evaluation. You're under evaluation. Pwedeng by your HR or your leader, kung ano man, under evaluation kayo. Tinitingnan nila kung ano bang meron. This is not like stalking sa FB. They're like stalking you kung ano man ang ginagawa mo. This is like work-related. Okay? Work-related. Tinitingnan nila kung pwede bang mag-improve. May progress ba na pwedeng mangyari sa'yo. Something like that. Okay? So, that's why. Tinitingnan nila yung kilos mo, yung galaw mo, kung ano man. Okay? Yeah, they have, an offer to give. Okay? Yes. This is commitment. Some of you, kaya kayo ini-evaluate kasi pwedeng ipopromote kayo or they will give you, sabihin nating dagdag, no? Parang ganyan. Yeah. Meron din mga tao dito na talagang they see you as their rival. Okay? A challenge. Ka-competition. Ka-compete. Parang ganyan. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, itong mga to, sabihin natin hindi sila nagiging fair. Andun yung paninira nila. Kunyari, okay sa'yo pag nakaharap, pero pag talikod mo, hindi naman. Alam mo yun. Alam mo kung sino yung plastic pagdating sa'yo, Earth signs. Okay? Ang sinasabi dito sa trabaho Kung trabaho man, this is pera. Okay? Itong mga taong to, sinisiraan kayo. Okay? Sinisiraan ka ng mga to. Yeah, the Queen of Swords in reverse. Ganun lang ang kaya nila Itong mga to, ang galing gumawa ng mga, ng mga kwento. Yeah. Mga hindi patas. Yes. Meron mga tao na hindi patas sa'yo, ini-stalk ka nila. Tinitingnan ko ano bang meron. Gusto ka nang lang siraan kasi alam nila na meron darating sa'yong magandang offer whatsoever. Okay? Some of you, meron ditong gusto makipagayos. Pwedeng legal. Okay, legal issue. May bayaran ako nakikita rito po. Okay? Kung tumutupad ba, some of you, meron ako nakikita ganyan. Kung tumutupad ba, I don't know if this is talking about child support or what. Or kung gumagawa ba talaga sa mga napag-usapan. Kaya nag-i-stalk. Okay? So there. What else for earth signs? Earth signs. What else? Okay. The Six of Swords. So, sino yan? Six of Swords na yan. And the Sun. Namamagnet to sa'yo. Masayang kasama actually. Like, nakikigo with the flow with you, earth signs. Could be a water sign or Leo. Yeah. The Two of Cups. This person loves you, I think. They felt maybe a strong connection with you. Feeling a strong connection with you. Maybe water sign. Namamagnet sila. Let's see. Bakit kanya ini-stalk? Feeling drawn. Pagdating sa'yo. Why are they stalking you? The Two of Pentacles. The Nine of Cups in reversed. Meron ditong parang nagja-juggle. This person likes you though. Pero there's this energy of blockages. They really like you. They really like you. The Hierophant, I don't know, some of you, itong taong to, tinitingnan niya kung available ka pa. Kung single ka pa. Yes. Tinitingnan niya kung single ka pa or what. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. I don't know, kung ikaw is nakita niyang hindi na, yeah, feeling nila, ay sayang. Okay? Pero yeah, this person really likes you a lot. Gusto lang makasigurado pagdating sa'yo. I don't know. Maybe they want to pursue you or what. They want to connect. See? The Ace of Pentacles. And the Page of Cups. Page of Cups, diba? So there's this offer. Pwede ba akong lumigaw? Parang ganun. Pwede ba akong kumonect sa'yo? Some of them, they will be, like open pagdating sa emotion. In general, ha? Okay, no zodiac sign, no, ang tawag dyan? No gender. Okay? Kahit anong gender. Yeah, gusto nila maging open. Gusto nila magkaroon ng connection with you. Is it safe na kumonect sa'yo? Like that. Because, kasi nga, kung ikaw nakita ka lang sobrang open or single, yeah, gagawa to ng paraan. Strong connection. Yeah. Okay? Meron din past person dito, still attached. They're still attached. Yeah. They're still attached. Seven of Cups, Universe. Ikaw pa rin yung best option ng iyong past person. Anyway, so there, yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. So again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!